viewers, in this video we going to show you how beautifully designed these dress with flowers and pockets, and you can watch this and you can watch in this video. These are very beautiful and artistic ideas with denim made. So your leftover pants don't throw away and use it with beautifully, like crafted with jeans and crafted with denim. So you can use it, you can utilize it very beautifully. If you're an artist, your artistic inner artistic mind say loudly what do you want to make, and you want to make very beautiful art with leftover jeans, leftover pants. So these are very interesting and beautiful designs and ideas, and you can get very best ideas from in this video. This is a very beautiful wall hanging decoration idea, mostly wall hanging with pockets, with different types of pockets you can add, and you can make very beautiful designs. Especially this is a very beautiful pen holders and made with pockets. These are very useful ideas. So this is very cute and I really like this. Kids, I really like these type of designs. And if you are create something and somebody asks who made this, and you say, and you proudly say, I can make it, I definitely can make this, and what is your happiness, your inner side happiness? You feel good and proud. So don't sleep your inner artist, don't let sleep your inner artist. Awake them, keep making something, different types of things, keep growing. And you can, if your one article is successful, so you can grow your business with it. You can grow your business with these type of items, because customer don't want a single piece, and they buy a story, they also buy a story. If you put your story behind the product, what is the story behind the product, how you made this, so this is very useful for you, and people also want to buy a story behind that. So your product, it is not only a product, single products, it's an effort, it's a story. So you can get some flower, you can add some flower in this decoration, because it's incomplete without flower. So add flower in your product, add some pocket you can make with these type of ideas. So don't forget to make this type of things and get best ideas from this video, and keep shining, keep smiling. I want that you make these designs and you can get best ideas from this videos. So leave your comment in the comment section. What do you want to watch in my next video, and I will try to upload what do you want to watch. Seriously, I really love that. So viewers, tell me about that, how you feel about this videos, these designs. Your comment is very precious for me. So take care of yourself and your family members. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा, हमें अपनी दुआ में याद रखिएगा। हम चाहेंगे अच्छे अच्छे डिज़ाइंस आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आते रहें। Keep crafting, keep making Hope you like the designs and ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Have a very nice, beautiful and good day. We try to bring very best and beautiful designs for you. Keep smiling, keep shining, and best wishes for you. Take care, stay blessed. God bless you all. Take care. And don't forget to subscribe.